So as a part of our warm-up, we're going to be looking at a pictogram here. Um, we've got the key here, so this means one piece of fruit. So I want you to have a go at these questions. Who ate the most pieces of fruit in week 1? So this is week 1. Who ate the least fruit overall? So looking at both weeks, who ate the least? What was the difference in amount of fruit between week 1 and week 2 for Ron? So you're looking at Ron. What was the difference in the amount? Did Ron have the biggest difference? So the difference, remember, is looking at what they had one week, what they had another, what's the difference between them. So for example, if you had 2 pieces one week and 4 pieces the next, the difference would be 2 because you've had 2 more. Pause the video, have a go at the questions. So going through the answers, who ate the most pieces of fruit in week 1? So look at week 1. Mo did. Who ate the least fruit overall? Ron. Because if we're looking at both weeks, add them together. So Mo had 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is the lowest number. It's Ron. What was the difference in amount of fruit between week 1 and week 2 for Ron? Ron's had 3 one week and 3 the next, so the difference is 0. Did Ron have the biggest difference? No, because he didn't have any difference. There wasn't no difference. Annie did because she had 1 one week and 6 the next. So the difference there is 5 because 1 plus 5 equals 6.